Baby, how y'all doing? How y'all doing? How y'all doing? I'm doing good, but how y'all doing? Alright, let me move this down a little bit. So, for those of you that may know or may not know, your girl just moved to Hawaii. Aloha. So I just moved here and I'm so excited. I'm just starting a new venture, a new journey on my life. I felt like this year I needed to just move away from where I've been born and raised my whole life and just kind of go with the flow and venture off into something new. I came here, as many of you may have seen in previous my videos, for a couple weeks, found a spot, and your girl was I was like, alright, I'm out. So I'm so excited today that I am working with Lull mattress, because obviously when you move into a new home you need a bed. So instead of shipping my old mattress from home to Hawaii, I got a bed that is it's about to be delivered to my door. So I wanted to talk to you guys before it gets here. I'm so excited because have you ever heard of a mattress to come, and not only just a mattress, a California king mattress coming in a box to your doorstep? I'm like, what? So you're telling me my brand new bed is going to be here in a box, a California king size in a box? Okay. A few things I need to tell you guys about this. You get 100 nights free trial, free shipping. Like, what? What is not better than that? And if you don't like it, which I don't know why you wouldn't, you get free returns. Anyways, that's the 3 best things about this. I'm just like, okay, well, I know I'm not going to return this mattress because I've seen it all over the internet. I've seen it everywhere advertising. I'm like, oh my gosh, that looks like seriously an amazing night's sleep. Because I have, which many of you might have, where you can't sleep on something too soft, but then you can't sleep on something too hard. So I heard this mattress is perfect for you, girl. So I'm like, okay, sign me up. So when it gets here, it's going to come in a box, and then I'm going to show you guys the unboxing process of it. And I'm going to be 100,000% honest, like I always am with you guys. I don't like to share anything with you that I don't believe in or that I don't think is something that is just 110% amazing quality. So I have stairs in my house, so we're going to see how that works, but I am going to, once it gets here soon, I looked at the tracking, I am going to bring it up and unbox it and show you how easy it is, because it's crazy. If you think about a mattress coming in a box, it's tightly, it's going to be tightly pressed together with wrapping, like a saran, looks like a saran wrap, and then you cut it open and it's expand. I can't even talk. I'm so excited. So it's going to expand. So I'll show you guys that process too. Now, it's supposed to take up to 24 hours to fully expand. So I might have to finish this video tomorrow, but if it looks fully expand in a few hours, then I'll finish it tonight, because your girl's going to have the best of the best, the best luck, and I'm going to be able to sleep on it tonight because it's going to fully expand. So we're going to get it up here. I'm going to try my best and maybe have to deadlift or squat that bad boy up the stairs. And then we're going to jump around and see how it is, because you guys know I do morning stretches on my bed. You guys know I am crazy, most of you. And you also know I like to do yoga and handstands and headstands. So we're going to make sure that this bed is 100,000% T-Baby approved. Okay? Well, let's go get it. Oh yeah.
One step is all it takes to get us moving anywhere. And now that we
Oh god.
No.
Help, I need help. Help, I need.
What used to keep us back were just excuses made to not change. You say, I promise to be there in every single way. We're doing this together, every step we take closer to each other, so much to discover. I can't help but feeling our love taking over. Our hearts getting closer and closer. I can't get enough of times of getting lost with you. Getting lost with you.
Oh my god! That is so comfortable. Oh, this is like heaven. Oh my god. You don't understand. I'm never gonna wake up.
Getting lost with you. One step more and now we're far from everything we had. Ready for whatever's lying up ahead. We won't stop moving, feels too good for that. So good. Feeling our love taking over. Our hearts getting closer and closer. I can't get enough of times of getting lost with you. Getting lost with you.
MG, Team T baby. Whew, as you guys can see, I'm a little out of breath is because I have been jumping and bouncing around on this thing. I kid you not. Your girl is about to get some good sleep. This is one of the most amazing mattresses I've ever felt. I did not know that such a high quality mattress company would deliver this bed to your door that easily. It was like the easiest thing I've ever seen. It's ordered. It told me exactly when it's coming, when it's on the way, when it's gonna almost be here, and then it texted me when it was here. And it's such a high quality mattress. Like, I'm like, okay, I know we're in 2019, but geez, it's like, this thing is freaking amazing. I kid you not, I was just in the furniture store. Obviously I need furniture for my new place. And there's beds everywhere, and I was laying on like all of them just to see and get an idea. And this has by far topped any mattress that I saw in there. So I'm about to get the best sleep ever. I'm so excited. I'm a little bit tired, obviously, from moving. Moving is a freaking, whew, it is like a stress ball because you have to do so much. I had to take time off from filming. I had to take time off from doing a lot of things that I usually do daily. I still hit the gym every day because that was my stress release. But now I'm so excited because this bed is going to help me probably have even a little bit of bags because your girl has been just working and working and working and working. So I'm so excited that I have this bed here. I really, really hope you guys check it out. Give it a try. Let me know if you guys get one. You don't have to get a California King. You can get a twin, a queen, a king, whatever fits your needs. But your girl likes to spread out at night, and I like my space. And this is also really good for if you sweat at night. It's not too hot, and I'm just so excited. I'm going to get their pillows because if their mattress feels like this, then your girl needs those pillows because you can't sleep well unless you don't have good pillows, okay? So, you guys, I will have everything in the description. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you all soon.
I promise to be there in every single way. We're doing this together, every step we take.